Welcome back to About Time River. Woohoo! Look at all that over there. You can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it. Sounds just like a river. The trench is all full. All the way out. You can see where it carries it out to the field I was talking about in the last video instead of underneath the barn. We do have flooding underneath the barn right now though, which I'm addressing. There's a pump in there right now. Look at all this outflow. What's coming from that mountain up there. Whole side of the house. That's how it gets up underneath there. That's how all that's been happening. My tractor didn't float away, but my backhoe was sinking. I might need a backhoe to get my backhoe out. Wow, just ruined my back road. You can see all this flowing here. This has all basically become, I used to fish and stuff that was not much deeper than this as a kid. Dang, look at that. And I'm about to show you where it's all coming from. We're about to see that here. I have built my own. Let's talk about the trench project from last year. So this trench right here, whoops. Well, it's actually flowing level with the ground right now, but that was a good, what, 2 feet deep? Yep. And it's catching most of the water that's running off from that mountain. It comes down this way, and it's catching most of it and keeping it from washing out my road, even though the road is already washed out. But last year, all this water was coming down here and went straight for the barn, went straight for everything over here. So I've moved most of it over there, and thankfully the other trench is helping on that side. Need to hurry up and get to the road. I'm taking all the time. Yep. Comes down over that. Wow. So as it turns out, I moved into a wash and didn't know it. It's just, wow. Whoa, I wasn't paying attention to where I'm going, and now I'm standing in a mini river. So, wow. This is all normally my back road here that goes behind the house. House is right there. Gotta watch where I'm going here. There's a little pond now back there where I'm thinking about putting a pond, is right here. That's the back of the house. This is, what do we name this? About Time Upper Fork. Upper Fork of the About Time River. There we have it. This is the Upper Fork of the About Time River. Also known as the South Fork. This is south, or maybe this would be the east side. Wow! It gets worse. Just when you think it can't get worse. So my road arcs this way. I gotta zoom out. Arcs this way, goes back around that way, and it's a loop around the house. And this is my main driveway right here, going out to the dirt road. We're about to see that, but I might need my arm floaties to get across this.
It's definitely ankle deep.
I don't know. I shouldn't have sold the boat when I left California. Here we go. Gonna try it. Wish I had my arm floaties on. Whoa! Whoa! Woo! Yeah, that was definitely...
Sock soaker.
That's a sock soaker. Yeah, that got right through my boot. All right, there's a strategy to this. Woo! Woo! Gonna be soggy. Oh yeah, it's already too late. We are well past the sock soaking stage. Definitely well past it. Don't go in there. Oh, it's not on film. I grabbed him. I'm like, don't go in there.
I got you.
Don't do that.
I got you. Don't worry. I
was thinking that was the phone.
Oh yeah.
Watch out! So, wow. All the way through here. This is my, this is my driveway. Wow, look at it just running off. And I've heard people going up and down this road. A little bit earlier today, we had some rain. Whoa, you could see it from here. Wow.
I could go swimming in that.
And to think, yeah, actually you can. And to think this was worse maybe 20 minutes ago or so.
Yeah.
When it was still pouring. It's not raining right now. I took a picture of my weather thing. We were getting 3.5 inches per hour. That's the rate. And all that fell within maybe 30 minutes. We got about 1.5 inches or so of rain in like 30 minutes. So coming out the driveway, that's going up the hill towards civilization. And this is, this is west. This is County Road 3281 that I live on. You got fields there, and then there's another county road. I think it's 3144 there. And then this turns left at the end of my property where the water ends. I don't know if you can see that.
Whoa. I think there's a river
Over there, yeah. What is that? That's, whoa! That is. I don't know if it'll show up in the camera.
Holy crap.
Wow. What is that? That's not a road there. What we're talking about is you see that white line below that house there? They just built that house this year. And it might be fed by that right there, but there's a river going down over there. Big like this one, but there's no road, and it's filling up that now as a lake. Wow. Look at that. That is now no longer a field, but a lake. But onto our stuff. So I wouldn't drive like a little car through here. Like my son used to have a Honda Civic. I don't think I would have done that. I wouldn't take his current car or my current car through this. My truck, if I had to, I would. Like if I had to. And right now I don't have to. My waterfall. I have a waterfall. Not everyone has a waterfall in their driveway. But up here, we believe in that. So there's a waterfall right there. It's a small one. And then what's not running off through here is running through there. Pretty cool, kinda. Doesn't seem to be hurting the fence line. like over time, but there's some areas of the house I'm worried about, and the barn. So this is pretty neat. As long as nobody gets hurt, nobody gets flooded out. There's no structures over there, so that's pretty good. I can see the water moving from here. I don't know if that shows up. Okay. See ya.